What's up, guys? Welcome back to Passive Base, where we talk crypto and crypto only, of course. Welcome back to all the subscribers, and if you're not subscribed to the channel just yet, please consider hitting the subscriber button down below. Again, we're doing a giveaway at 4,000 subscribers. We're giving away 3 Ledger Nano S's. If you want to participate, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you comment on the box down below, entering Ledger Nano S drawing. Guys, today we're gonna basically go over the markets and tokens that I talked about previously, just taking a look and see how they're performing, and taking a look at Bitcoin also. This is just a general video just to update everybody on what's going on. Let's go ahead and take a look here at Bitcoin really quick, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at everything else. Let's go ahead and switch this up. All right, so here it is. We took a look at this yesterday, right? And we were talking about this yellow support line, this red support line here at 37,900, and it did break through it, and he broke through that. Let's zoom in really quick. So he broke through this. It was trying to stay above it for quite a bit of time. This is a daily chart, so each one of these candlesticks, it's one day. So he was there for an entire day, just came below it and closed above it, but today it broke that support line. Bounced off 34-ish, almost 34, 35.3. It hasn't tested that yet. As you can see here, it tested this a couple of times back here before making the move up. So it looks like it's retesting that support level there. Let's see if it tries to go ahead and break that 37.9. That's what we're looking at. And if it does, then we're above that line again. That brings a little bit more confidence to the market. But just like what I said in the previous video, not too worried about it, because we have so many support lines set here, just because it's been consolidating so nicely that there's a lot of time to decide what you're looking to do whenever these support lines are broken. Of course, a flash crash could happen, but these support lines are pretty strong due to the consolidation that's been happening for almost a month now. So this is good to see. I'm not too worried about BTC dumping just yet. Again, until we get to that $30,000 mark there, then we can get some a little bit worried. Let's take a look and see the coins that we talked about in the previous video, and that is Tiki. If you've watched the previous video, you're going to be able to relate to this token, and let's see what it's doing today. Let's go ahead to DEX tools here really quick. I'll leave these favorites open. I just was checking out some coins and saving them there. So this is it, right? And I called this yesterday. It did go up quite a bit. People, of course, took profit. Beautiful thing about this token though is all these people taking profits. If you're holding the token, you're getting BNB dividends airdrop to your wallet because it's a volume. This token has over $10 million worth of volume, daily volume. So the payouts for the holders are really good based on how much you invest and how much you're getting paid. And you don't have to do anything about it. You just literally buy the token and it's going to get airdropped to your wallet. So you don't even have to visit their website. But today was a nasty market day, as everybody know. It's been rough on all major altcoins that have actual fundamentals, that are real projects, that have real teams and a lot of capital behind them. Those tokens are not doing so well in this market just because people are kind of fearful, and those type of investors, they are a little bit more rational to the market conditions, so they do look to secure their gains, and once they do that, and then they still want to produce profits, and a lot of people kind of go into these coins just because they are quick, they're for that moment, and they do provide a benefit of actually making more BNB or making whatever other coin you want. If you just gain BNB and you sell it for whatever coin you want to hold, while hodling Tiki. So this is a good token. I'm in it still. I haven't sold any of mine. I've been really happy with the rewards, and I'm super pumped that today he made an all-time high while the market is in deep red and everybody's freaking out. So this is really good. I like it, and you can see those buys coming in. Definitely a lot of buys, a lot more buys than sell, which is great. And then another token that I'm looking at is, so the Rise has been pumped already. It's too late for that. But there's another one that just came out, which is EverMusk. And this one here, it just started. It did pump quite a bit all the way up there. It has pulled back here, and I'm in it because I watched what happened with Rise, and it could kind of happen the same way here. But the thing about Rise is it was brand new. A lot of people did not understand how it actually worked in the background. Now people know that there's a bot that actually buys and sells these things to kind of manipulate the price on these tokens. So if you can time it correctly, you can make a lot of money just looking at the buys and sells whenever the bot starts dumping, and then whenever the bot starts pumping. But it's going to cost you a lot if you're going to be trading against that bot, just because there is fees to go in and out of these trades. So you're better off, if you want, you actually purchase the token and leave it there and let the bot do its thing. Hopefully it does it really well and there's a lot of volume for the bot to work with, and we start pumping back up. But this is this happened, so you can see there, this is we zoom in, that's a pretty big pump from when the token was released all the way up. It was almost a 10x, and then he dumped, and then he came back up. So it's fairly early for it. So this is one that I'm actually in right now, and hopefully it does pay off. And they do. I'm going to review the token, just want to kind of bring that to you guys' attention. Other things, right, a little bit more fundamental tokens that I'm still in, and I'm still very confident, is invest. When we made the call for invest in our video, and also in our Telegram, invest was at around 10 cents. And again, this is a more fundamental play, and they do have a really nice platform. I took a look at, I did a small review of what they have that's different than everything else. And they are sitting right now at about 14 cents. It's up today with the down market about 10%. It did go pretty, like, I think it crossed 20 cents. No, let's see, this is a 5 minute. So yeah, so back here it did cross 20 cents, and then it started following BTC with its downtrend. But it did set a very good support line at 10 cents, and that's where we bought it. When we bought at 10 cents for a reason, we watched it. If you I mean, you guys are not there, but if you join our Patreon, we have a really good group of people in there, really smart people, and we definitely bounce ideas off each other. And we've all got in at around 10 cents here, and we got in back here, so was quite a bit of gains there, basically 100% profit on that trade. I didn't sell one dime of this token. It's a token that I'm holding, and I wish they actually had a staking platform so I could stake it while they still develop the other features. That's something that I'm going to actually ask them if it's something that they have in their roadmap. But yeah, really confident on this token, especially seeing it up 10% in the red market day where everything else is tanking. I'm glad to see that. And another one that I haven't talked to about this one for a while, and again, I'm still in this token. I have not sold any of it, and that is NAFT NAFT. And NAFT is definitely different than everything else in the NFT market right now. And you can see it's been consolidating here at this price point for quite a bit of time. But the great thing about consolidation is NAFT, you can actually stake your token. So if you're in this token for the long run, you can go to their website and you can actually stake it, and you're going to be earning more NAFT while waiting for the platform to actually be released. If you believe in the platform, if you believe in the project, that's something that's really smart to do, especially in down markets. We've been almost a month now in a downtrend market, and it's a good time to actually shop for really good fundamental tokens. But if you don't have the capital to wait, that can be a little bit more difficult, because right now is the time that you want to kind of go and shop. And once the market resumes its uptrend, you're definitely going to be able to make quite a bit of gains, especially if you're holding major blue chip altcoins, and these really well position coins like Invest, Nafter. They all have a ton of potential, especially when the platform is fully delivered. But yeah, another token that I talked about, this was yesterday, and I have to actually pull it up here on WinGecko. That was Adamant, and Adamant is still paying the staking rewards for Matic, and it's still paying ADDY tokens. I have about 32 tokens of ADDY that's been paid as reward by staking in their platform. I'm not going to go into their website right now because MetaMask is not connected to Matic, and I don't want to open my MetaMask and have to blur out the video so my wallet address is shown and things like that. But the point is, I'm earning passive income with Adamant, and it's been great. I've earned in about 2 days now over 2,400 with the price of Matic going down. And of course, you can see the price for Adamant, it hasn't taken a big hit. It did come down, but people definitely bought that dip just because if you stake it, it's probably going to offset any downtrend that this token takes. A really good token. It's really undervalued, really, in my opinion, and not a lot of people know about it, and it's in the Polygon network. So the only major risk here is that the hype for the Polygon layer 2 network actually dies off, and then the platform will die off, and those fees from that are generated from staking on the platform will also die off, and then you don't get any rewards. You'd still have the token, but again, the token will most likely lose value because it's not generating any benefit to the token holder. Right now it is, and Polygon just basically, I think it's just starting out. So the more users and the more people using Polygon, this thing is going to just keep paying out. It's a great platform. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to kind of go over these tokens really quick. Wanted to make a video today too, so I continued the streak of videos. Guys, I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, again, you can ask me. Go to the Telegram, maybe join the Patreon. Until next one, peace out.